the 8 important legal considerations when raising a child with Duchenne muscular dystrophy. So Leona, could you tell us those 8 steps briefly?
Okay, so first off, as soon as you have a diagnosis for your child, you need to get them on what's called the Medicaid Waiver Program interest list. Each state works in conjunction with the federal government, so they may call it something different in your state, but that's what we call it here in Texas. Then another thing that I would implore parents to do is, if their situation warrants it, get your child's IQ tested properly so that they can become eligible for additional benefits from the government. We also talk about preserving eligibility for those benefits with something called Special Needs Trust. We also talk about 529A savings accounts. Those are accounts that you can use to help preserve eligibility for government benefits for your child. We also will talk about life insurance and disability insurance that you can get on yourselves to take care of the family if something happens to you. Updating your wills. And then we also touch a little bit on special education rights, whether it's through special ed or Section 504. And then lastly, we talk about when your child's about to transition into adulthood, if guardianship is warranted in your case, and how to kind of determine whether you should get ancillary estate planning documents as opposed to a full-on guardianship. Don't try to do it all at one time. This is a long journey, and so we'll start off with the very first step and then just go ahead and take one step at a time when you're ready.